I was referred to a urologist, and because he had already been going, then I went. And so, in a way, I couldn't have chosen a better doctor to go to, because he was very thorough, and he discovered that I had bladder cancer. And I had a number of years of treatments for that, and they advised me at a point where they needed to take my bladder. So it was pretty serious stuff for myself and our family, and they were supportive all the way through. Very contained to be able to just go to Woodlands, have all my diagnostic treatments, the CT scans, the lab work, everything right there.
And the chemotherapy
and
treatments.
The chemotherapy, the treatments for it completely throughout. The whole treatment plan was right there at Woodlands. So we loved that, and they team doctors a lot. So all told, we know about 4 of the doctors there who've been very competent, very professional, and when you have an organ that needs to be removed, you wonder, can Pensacola handle that? They sure can at Woodlands.
I was going there just for regular checkups after age 50, and eventually they diagnosed prostate cancer. And then within the practice, some of the doctors at that time were just starting with the Da Vinci robotic surgery. So 2 of the doctors did my robotic surgery for prostate. And I've been going back ever since for checkups now, and have been cancer-free. I think it was a wonderful experience because they give you options on how they're going to do treatment or surgery, and the patient gets to choose which one they would like to pursue. They're very supportive, were wonderful in the pre-op room and after the surgery and everything. Just took care of us, explained everything, and it was a very good procedure as it went. I think that's why we've stayed. If you need a lab test, a CT scan, or an x-ray like my wife has had, it's all in one building, and the doctors have it immediately.
Another great feature that Woodlands, their doctors are so caring, they completely fill your whole family in on what's happening. They will advise and talk to your family members anytime, and let them know exactly what's happening throughout the treatment process. So our children were very up to date with what was going on with us on both of our treatments. So it turned out to be a very opportune way to have our children know this is what's happening, and this is how our family will be taken care of.
I would highly recommend the Woodlands because it's a comprehensive medical establishment. In other words, not only all the urologists are there, the doctors that are there have individual kind of specialties that they will treat within the area of urology, but also the facilities they have, the labs, the CT scan, x-ray, mammogram. It's, one-stop shopping. You could go there, have it all done, and speeds the whole process up. You're not waiting for some outside lab to come into the building. They'll get with you next week. We've gone down and had a CT scan. An hour later, we're talking with the doctor about treatment.
Just can't ask for better doctors and better health care than what you get from Woodlands.